Strategies for improving prompt efficiency and accuracy. Improving the efficiency and accuracy of prompts requires careful structuring. A clear, unambiguous prompt will guide the AI towards more accurate results. Providing additional context or specifying the type of output desired also enhances the quality of the response. Let's see how we can apply these strategies. Output examples. Ambiguous output. AI is used in various industries, including healthcare, finance, and education. Refined output. In healthcare, AI is increasingly being applied to diagnostic tools, enabling faster and more accurate analysis of medical data. It is also used in treatment planning by evaluating patient history and predicting outcomes.